Here you can see we've already put 2 dots onto the chromatography papers. One of the papers has already been immersed in the developer, the deionized water. That's dye A is already working now. It's separating. You might be able to see it on the upper right of the picture where the dot is rising just a little bit in the chromatography tube. Separate slowly. It takes maybe 10 or 15 minutes for it to separate into a 3-inch long dye strip. But you can see it on the upper right, developing upward as the water is absorbed by the chromatography paper. This lab is to demonstrate that you can separate the different pigments or mixtures by using paper chromatography. You can see the bottom now is pinkish, and here you can see about 1/2 inch of water in the bottom of the developer tube. Don't put more water than that in the tube because it will touch the dot on the bottom. There's a little paper clip on the bottom of the rubber stopper that you attach it to. There are the separated dyes. On strip A you can see the pink on the right, and orange and sort of a green in between actually, and a blue on the left side. And the dye B is not so different than that. When we finished we had pretty much the same, except there was hardly any pink on the right. That's what your chromatography strip should look like when you're done. Dot B is in the tube currently, and it's going to undergo the same process as the A dye, and you can see the dye B is separated, but that orange is on the bottom rather than pink.